So many times we fall for the wrong people because we feel, oh, he's treating me so well. Maybe he likes me, right? We start feeling validated from there and we ignore so many things. Now, if this person doesn't want commitment, somewhere so many times I've seen girls falling for a person feeling that no, his heart is going to change for me. Maybe I will finally do it. I will change it for him. Maybe I'll trigger something. That's what he wants to be. Don't expect that you will really achieve in changing somebody else. So those are things. I think what you can see is that how do they treat other people, how do they treat other girls, how do they treat people who are lower than them, where they don't have to be good and polite, but how is it that they are. So I would, for me personally, that's what I would see. The green flags, when you asked, I would say honesty. Does he really say what he means? Does he really do what he says? That is a big thing. Commitment, which can be seen in other areas. When you say, I'm going to be giving my work at this time, do you actually deliver it? Right? So the commitment, whatever you do in one area of your life, how you do anything is how you do everything. So you can also kind of just observe whatever is happening in other areas, right? So these could be important green flags for me.